Tutorial number 10, Saving and Exporting Files. Hello, and welcome to the pco.camware video tutorials. This video is highly important since it covers all about saving and exporting files. You find the command for saving by clicking on the File tab. A single image can be saved in 3 different formats: in the 16-bit PCO B16, the 16-bit DICOM, and the 16-bit TIFF format. If no image window is open, this command is not available. Please be aware that the term save is always referring to the storage of raw images without image compression. Thus, this is the recommended procedure. Images can also be exported into different 8 and 16-bit format. These files are not reloadable in pco.camware as the image compression is permanent and cannot be returned. If more than one camera is connected, it is possible to export all current images in one process step. If you want to save an image sequence, different 16-bit formats are selectable in the Saving dialog window. It is possible to set the number of saved images to stepped images and to choose the preferred starting image number. Sequences can be exported into different file formats too. You also have the possibility to save just a ROI of your image. To enable this function, right-click onto your View window and select Set File ROI. Doing so, you can draw a rectangle by mouse, which can be dragged and resized at its edges. This selection is valid for the save or export of all recorded images. The function autosave helps to save recorded images or sequences in an easy way. You find this function in the Settings Overview tab within the Recorder section. This function can store raw files as well as export files automatically after you stop your acquisition. If you enable the checkbox, the text changes to Unconfigured. Right-click on the Unconfigured field and click on Configure Autosave. When Save Manually is selected, images are stored after acquisition only after a user interaction by hitting the Alt and D key. In this mode, the sequence can be cut or adjusted in the Recorder toolbar before saving. Save unattendedly enables the download of images immediately after a recording is stopped. In the mode Auto Start after Record, no further user interaction is required. With selecting Automatic Start after Record and Restart Recording, the recording restarts after every saving process. Be aware, this will start an endless loop of recordings. It can be deactivated by unchecking the Auto Save checkbox. Before using this function, you need to adjust its settings. Select the Output, Save, or Export, your main folder for the stored files, and the type of raw or converted file. If you use a color camera, you can also choose if you want to store color images or not. pco.camware offers the possibility to name the stored files automatically according to your settings. Click OK to save the settings. The autosave status turns to OK, indicated by a green background when a proper configuration is done. If you want to learn more about single image saving or recording direct to file, please check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.